As for Chapter 10, Basic Properties of Circle, Lesson 1. Before the lesson, we do some revision. In a circle, this point is center, and this one we call the circumference, the outline. And from center to the circumference, we have the radius. And then you can see there are lots of radius, also radius. And the longest line in a circle we call the diameter. It is 2 radius. It must pass through the center. Next, we have chord. For chord, actually it is 2 points on the circumference. For example, we call AB. So this chord we call AB. Next, we have arc. For arc, it is a curve, also from A to B, but we have another representative. We'll use this head to represent the arc AB. So they're different with this one. Okay, AB is the distance between AB. It is a straight line, but for this one is a curve. So this one is longer than AB. Next, we'll have another properties. If we have a right angle triangle, then the length have some relationship. A square plus B square equal to C square by Pythagoras theorem. Remember, next to the right angle, that means this one and this one, sum of them with square equal to C square by Pythagoras theorem. Next, if we have a triangle, then the sum of the triangle, sum of the angle is equal to 180. Now we'll start this new chapter. If we have a circle, center is here, and then we have the chord AB. If ON is perpendicular, that means right angle with AB, then we have the result AN, this one, equal to BN. That means we will separate the chord into 2 same length. So the name chord line from center perpendicular chord bisect chord. Remember, with right angle, then these 2 lengths same. Next, we have an opposite property, that means the reverse. If we know these 2 lengths are same, then we know it is right angle. Okay, the name is called line joining center to midpoint of chord perpendicular chord. So you see, these 2 are opposite. A, we know right angle, then these 2 lengths same. And for B, we know these 2 lengths same, then it is right angle. Now, let's see an example. We have a circle, the center here, and then we know this one is perpendicular. Okay, then we know these 2 lengths same. So we know angle OMB equal to 90 degrees, or you can write OM is perpendicular to AB. Then we know AM is equal to MB. It is also equal to 9. So X is equal to 9. Now, try to do question 1. Let's check it. We know OP is perpendicular to AB. So AP is equal to BP. So they are same. It is also X. And we know the full length of AB is 10. So that means X is equal to 10 divided by 2. So it is 5. without cm because you see xcm. Next, try to do question 2. Okay, let's check it. For question 2, this time we know this and this are same. Okay, because AM is equal to MB from the question. So we have the result actually opposite with this one. That means angle AMO is 90 degree. 90 degree. How to find x? Actually, we'll consider this triangle. We know 50 here, and we know 90 here. Then we need to find x. So we can use angle sum of triangle. So that means x plus 50 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180. So use a calculator. X is 40 degree. Next, try to do question 3. For question 3, we have a midpoint. We have a point M, and chord AB is here, and OM is perpendicular to AB, so it is right angle. And this is 3 cm. This one is 45 degree. And then finally, we need to find the length of AB. So let's see. Okay, because OM is perpendicular to AB, so we know AM is equal to MB. Okay, we know they are the same. And at the same time, we know this right angle. That means we can find this angle. Same, we'll consider the triangle like the previous question. So that means we can find angle OMB. So plus 45 degree plus 90 degree, it is equal to 180 degree. So angle OMB is equal to 45. So this one is 45. You see, the base angle same, they are 45. So it is an isosceles triangle. If they are same, then this length same. Okay, isosceles triangle. So MB is also 3 cm because base angle are same. 3 cm. Okay, and we know AM and MB same, so AM also equal to 3 cm. So AB is equal to 3 plus 3, so it is equal to 6 cm. Next, try to do question 4. For question 4, we have the radius 13. This one is radius. Remember, this one is also radius. It is 13. And the chord AB intersect OC and M here. And then OC is perpendicular to AB, that means it's right angle. And then it is 24 for AB. And you need to find OM. OM is here. Okay. So we'll start from this right angle. Okay, we know OC is perpendicular to AB. So that means AM is equal to MB. They are same. So that means the full length is 24. They are same, so we need to divide by 2. So it is 12 cm for each. After we get 12, then we can consider this triangle. We know this length 13, we know this length is 12. Then how to find this? It is right angle triangle. So it is Pythagoras. Yes, we'll use Pythagoras theorem. So OM square, this one square, plus 12 square. Now these two lengths next to the right angle. So sum of the square, and then equal to the longest length 13 square. So OM square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square, because OM we need to find it. So it is 25. So we move the square, we take square root. Because it is length, so we will consider positive 5 only. So it is 5 cm. Next, we'll look at the second properties. Actually, it is the extent of property 1. This time we'll consider two chords, chord AB and chord CD. If this AB and CD same, they are same length, and we know OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD, that means these two are right angle. As a result, OM is equal to ON. Okay, remember we will have 3 criteria. Then we have this conclusion. Okay. For B, actually is opposite. This time we know OM, ON, they are same. And we know they have 2 right angle here. Finally, the result AB is equal to CD. So you see it's opposite. For this one, red one is the criteria, conclusion is the blue part. And for this one, blue part is the criteria, same length here, same length with right angle, and then AB equal to CD. So this is the two chord properties. Okay, you can see question 5. There's a circle with two chords, AB and CD. They also 6. And then you need to find OM. Okay, try to do it. Okay, let's see it. Because AB equal to CD equal to 6 cm. And then 3 criteria. So OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is also perpendicular to CD. So ON is equal to OM. So we know this is X cm. So that means X divided by 2. So it is 4 cm. Next, try to do number 6. Found X. Let's check it. This time, ON, OM is given. They are equal. And then CD is perpendicular to ON and OM perpendicular to AB. So AB is equal to CD. And you can see OM is perpendicular to AB. So that means AM is equal to MB as well. So X is equal to 2 times 9. So it is 18 cm.